Today we're gonna see how to edit. That's our class 0 today. We're gonna discuss both versions, 9 and X, inshallah. Let's get into the video. Today we're gonna discuss some basics. And closing some applications, so that it could perform better. Click here to start new project. Open previous projects from saved assets. That's our project library, containing projects we've recently working on. Oh, my mistake, it's project not project. Set your content output resolution. Mine 1920 into 1080 pixels. You can check yours through Google. Now it's here. Let's explore it together. That's our timeline. From there we can hide unhide videos, mute unmute music. Our media will show up here. That's our preview window. Now you could explore it better way. Now import some media files. Open folder, just double click on it to get imported. There it is. Second methodology. Keep it as which you want to. Make it visible. To split it into two. Getting some bored with no musical notes. You don't need to start new project if you have to change resolution of your project. Film projector. You can also lock it up. For future videos, also make it customized. You can also set up frames per second. Apply it by pressing OK.
See you in the next video. Till then, take care.
Thanks for watching.
Alhamdulillah.